let me quickly walk you through the MobilePay website. So the website is mobilepay.co.in. So if you are not a registered user, just ensure that you first sign up. Go to the sign up option. So use the referral code of the person who have referred you. Once you enter the referral code, the reference name will automatically populate here. Enter your first name, last name, email ID, mobile number, PIN code, and verify the OTP. Once it is verified, click on agree to terms and conditions and submit. So once submitted, you will receive your initial password in your email. Then go to the sign in. Type your mobile number and the initial password here. Since I am already registered, I will use my login ID and password here. Just ensure that you change your initial password from the change password option and go to the profile section. Update your details here. Update your address, nominee details. Once it is updated, go to the business dashboard. Go to more earnings. You can apply your card from here. It will say claim your card. Just click here and apply for your card by paying 600 rupees as the card fee. Also, you can see within the business dashboard the total company transactions which has happened and the total number of registered card users. So once your card is applied, you can go to business dashboard again. You will be able to see your virtual payment address here. Just note it down. You can use it to refill your account or add money to your account from any third-party app like Google Pay, Paytm, your bank account or Bheem from anywhere, any third-party app. Okay, now come to dashboard. Here also you get an option to add money to your account. Click on this. Select the amount. So I will suggest for the first refill, go for minimum 5,000 or 2,500. So that way you benefit the most, as you are getting 100% cashback, and beyond 2,500 you are getting 20% commission. So click on proceed here and you will be able to see these options: UPI, RuPay card, debit card and credit card. So its transaction charge is 0% for UPI and RuPay card. So I will suggest you to select the UPI option. So if you click on UPI, it will ask you to enter your UPI ID. So enter your bank UPI ID here and pay the amount. Alternately, as I said, you can use your MobilePay UPI ID from the business dashboard and pay directly from the third-party app. So I will show you the MobilePay UPI ID. So it goes like this: rpy.mobilepay, mobile number @ICICI. Okay, so here it shows within the business dashboard, it shows your CUC size as well, how many direct referrals in first level, how many in second level, and how many in third level. Once done, you can verify your bank account here. KYC is still pending. The option is not yet available. Shows the clubs here. Okay, now going to more earnings. Once you add amount to your card, go to view details here. Wait for a couple of hours before going here. Just check, you will be able to see the Pine Parks link. Click on it. Enter the OTP which you received in your mobile number. Click on submit. You will be able to see the card details, which is a virtual card. So this is a temporary solution till the time you get the physical card, which is a reloadable card. If I go to dashboard again, here you will be able to see the mobile pay app, the e-commerce site, which has not yet come. As of now, there is only one product listed here, and you can buy it if you want, and you can use your points as well. Insurance option is not yet active. So we'll see what other options are there. CUG status. So it shows your direct referral team size, number of team members who have applied for the card in your direct level, indirect level, and the total team size. Also, you can see the direct members here, date of joining, their mobile number, referral code, and here C means card applied. If A shows, means he has added money to his account. Alright, so in my orders, you will be able to see all the transactions which you have made to your account. If you have to shop anything from Amazon, Flipkart, or any other site and earn the affiliate commission, you need to click on affiliate shop. Suppose you want to buy something from Amazon, go to shopping section. Here you can find Amazon. You click on Amazon and log into your Amazon account and do your shopping as usual. So as I have shown you, you get your referral code as well. You can see it in the business dashboard. You can share it with your friends and family members. Yes, this is the business dashboard, and here is your referral code. So this is the code which you need to share with your family and friends, and they can register using this referral code. This is the code. Okay, so I think I have covered all the parts. Let me show you more earnings. So more stands for mobile pay regular earning. So here you can see card applied, as I have already applied for the card, and here are the 5,000 points. If you click here, you will see how many activations have happened and the commission earned. Card activation mode and CUG mode. Also, this is the self mode. Alright friends, so I think I have pretty much covered everything, and this summarizes. Hope this video is helpful for you.